Here we are looking at function of function, calling a function in another function, but we want to use lambda functions to demonstrate this. So to do that, we define the two functions. Lambda f equals lambda x cubed, minus 5 times x squared plus 2x minus 4. Okay. Define g of x, which is 2 times x. And then we run this cell to have it in our namespace. So f and g is in our namespace. Now let's print f of 4, gives us minus 12. Print g of 3. We are calling the lambda function and specifying the input, the value x. Next, let's print g of f of 2. In other words, we substitute 2 into f of x. The returning value is substituted again into g of x. If we run that, it gives us minus 24. Then let's print f of g of 2. In other words, substitute 2 into g of x. That gives us 4. And then substitute that value, the return value, into f of x. What do we have? If we run the cell, it gives us minus 12. And you can see that f of 4 is minus 12. And g of 2 is 4. Okay? When substituted into f of x, it is what? F of 4, which is what? Minus 12. Now, let me state here that we can also define, let's say, a function h of x, that a lambda function h of x that takes two input variable. Let's say x and y. We define that simply with, on the one liner, with separated with a comma. Let's say and z. Okay, and then put a colon. What should it return? It should return x squared uh, plus y squared plus z squared in the right spacing. Now this is our function. We run this function. What do we have? We have it in a namespace. What next do we do? Let's simply find print. Now I want to print h of, say, 2, comma, minus 1, comma, 1. Close it. If we run this, return 6. And that's 2 squared plus minus 1 squared plus 1 squared. That's 4 plus 1 plus 1. That's 6.